Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to take a closer look at the nail polish brand Very Good Nail. It is a Korean gel nail polish brand. So all their polish bottles are like this. Very simple design. And it has a Korean label. And you can get it directly from www.verygoodnail.co.kr. Each polish bottle is 10 milliliters. Now, let's take a look at the consistency of the polish. This is an off-white color. So this is the consistency of the polish. It does come on and it's very highly pigmented. The price range of this polish is very reasonable, and I'll contain all the links from where I got it in the description below, and I will also let you know in the caption below. Now we're gonna do a few swatches from a very light color to a medium color and to a very dark color to show you what is the consistency of this polish. So here I have my nail polish. So this is, as you can see, this is after the first layer.